Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate card controls in Citi, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate card controls in your Citi account, start by launching the Citi mobile app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab at the bottom of your screen. Select the specific credit or debit card for which you want to activate controls. Look for the Card Controls option, usually found in the Card Management section. Tap on Card Controls to access the available features. You will see options to turn on or off specific card functions. Common features include the ability to block your card, set spending limits, or control international transactions. Choose the feature you wish to activate by tapping on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize the settings according to your preferences. After making your selections, confirm any changes to ensure they are saved. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification indicating that controls have been activated. To manage your settings in the future, simply repeat these steps. For additional assistance, you can access the Help section within the app. Alternatively, you can contact Citi customer service directly. With these steps, you can easily activate card controls to enhance your security and manage your spending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.